Hello learners, welcome to INNOVATE Teaching Channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the important fundamentals of inclusive education. In short, this is a presentation which explains you what is inclusive education, what are the aspects of inclusive education, what is the significance of inclusive education, what are the aims and objectives of inclusive education. Hey, let me define initially what is inclusive education. I have highlighted the points with the font coloring. Please watch them. Inclusive education can be abbreviated as IE, is a new approach towards educating the child with disability and learning difficulties with that of normal ones within the same roof. Inclusive education, also known as inclusion. It is education that includes everyone with non-disabled and disabled people. This is what learning together in mainstream schools, colleges, institutions and other universities. The principle of inclusive education was adopted at the World Conference on Special Needs Education. Inclusive education means the place where children with or without disabilities participate and learn together in the same class. The idea behind this inclusive education is that students with special needs should be placed in the same classroom environment as other students of their own age who do not have special needs. Inclusive education also implies all young learners, students, and young people with or without disabilities being able to learn together through the access to common preschools and schools with an appropriate network of support services. Now let's see what are the aspects of inclusive education. Understanding inclusive education as a continuous process, encouraging the participation of all students, teachers and parents, making the curriculum flexible so that accordingly it meets the needs and responsibilities of the disabled children while keeping the objectives of education the same for all. Providing strong support and encouragement for the teachers as well as the students. These are the few and main aspects of inclusive education. Now let's see what is the importance of inclusive education. So I have made them a point wise like A, B, C and so on. So A, the importance is to develop a positive understanding among the students, others in their studies. So we need to appreciate diversity, the growth of respect and understanding, inculcate the culture among them. B, friendship also develops. So this is how important inclusive education is. To learn social skills, to develop the social responsibilities among everyone, following directions, using good manners, working with others, good hygienic and environmental conditions, greeting, having good wishes all the time, being sportive and humorous, listening to others actively. C, children learn important academic skills which are required in their curriculum or syllabus. So they learn how to write, how to read and how to do maths, the calculations and everything. D, greater sensitivity. The sensitivity improves, enhances. So by this we can understand how words can hurt others and how to practice the patience. How to learn empathy. So they all learns empathy. The main point, this is the main point which says better understanding of strengths and weakness. So there is a table like SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis says that every human should evaluate themselves of their own strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats. So strength lists out the positive characteristic of the human library, individual library. Weakness lists out the negative characteristics. And opportunities lists out the opportunities for their library programming and services. Threats lists out to the library operations. So this is how SWOT analysis should be made in their own selves. F, development of healthy citizenship And G, achievement of universalization. F, fulfills the constitutional human rights and responsibilities. So finally, let us conclude this video through the discussion of aims and objectives of inclusive education. The main aim is education for all, protection of rights, identification of skills, development of social consciousness to prepare new challenges, development of brotherhood to improve quality of education. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.